Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So for today we'll be taking division of decimal numbers by whole number. Division of decimal number by whole number. So let's take examples. Number one, 321.5 divided by 2. Simplify 321.5 divided by 2. So let's see, what do we do? When you are dividing, when the division involves decimal number, we use long division is recommended. So this is 321.5. Now, one thing to note is that in division, what really matters, what we should be concerned about is the divisor. The divisor really matters if it is a whole number or a decimal. In fact, divisor must be a whole number, because we are using the times table of the divisor to do the division. So we need it to be in whole numbers. So if the dividend is a decimal and divisor is a whole number, then no problem. But the issue comes when the divisor is a decimal number. In our next video, we'll see how we'll see what to do when the divisor is is a decimal number. So for this video where the divisor is a whole number, there's no problem. So the dividend can be a decimal and divisor is the whole number. It's an easy thing to do. So let's jump into it. So 2 into 3, this will give us 1. 2 times 1, that will give us 2. We subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then we bring down 2. 2 into 12, that will give us 6. 2 times 6 will give us 12. Subtract. What do we have? 0. And then we bring down 1. 2 into 1 will give us 0. 2 is bigger than 1, so that will be 0. 2 times 0 will be 0. And then what do we have? Subtract. This will give us 1. And then our point goes up, and then we bring down 5. So have you seen the decimal point just goes up and then you continue your division process. 2 into 15, that would be 7. 2 times 7 will give us 14. Subtract. What do we have here? 5 minus 4 is 1. So at that point, nothing else to bring down. But since we have a point up here already, so we can introduce our 0, you don't have to put any other point again because there's a point already. So 2 into 10, that will give us 5. 2 times 5, that will give us 10. Subtract this, it will give us 0, 0. And our answer becomes 160.75. Okay, so we move to example 2. Example 2, solution. This might take a longer line. So let's see. Let's bring it up here. This is 0.3973. What do we have here? This is divided by 4. 4 into 0, this will give us 0. 4 times 0, 0. Subtract. This will give us 0. Our point goes up, and then we bring down 3. 4 into 3. 4 into 3. 4 is bigger than 3. So this will give us 0. 4 times 0, 0. Subtract. This will give us 3. And then we bring down 9. 4 into 39. What's before? That will be 36 is before. So that will give us 9 times. 4 times 9 will be 36. Subtract. This will give us 3. And then we'll bring down 7. 4 into 37, still 9. 4 times 9 is 36. Subtract. What do we have? 7 minus 6 will give us 1. And then we bring down 3. 4 into 13, that will give us 3. 4 times 3 will be 12. Subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. At that point, nothing to bring down. But since there's point already up here, we introduce our 0. 4 into 10, that will give us 2. 4 times 2, that will be 8. Subtract 10 minus 8 will be 2. And then there's a point, so we can still introduce another 0. Excuse me. 4 into 20 will be 5. And then 4 times 5 will be 20. Subtract, this will give us 0. So our answer here is equal to 0.099325. So that's the end of our division process. So that is what we have for division of decimals by whole numbers. So like I said, if the divisor is a whole number, there is no problem. The dividend can be a decimal, can be a whole number, no problem. The main thing is what the divisor is. Okay, so we have our activity here. Please carefully go through them one after the other. Go through them using your long division. Thank you for watching this video. I believe the video was very helpful for you. Please do well to like, to subscribe, and also share to others. Thank you. See you in our next class.